Okay guys, a real simple dish today, sweet and sour chicken, Chinese style. Now we're going to use the pre-made chicken balls and our pre-made sweet and sour sauce. This dish comes together in less than 5 minutes with our pre-made ingredients. So let's get started then. 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan or a wok. Heat it up on medium. Now we do not want to be cooking this too high. We're only cooking veg. In with your veg. Nice and steady. Give it a little stir fry. We do not want to char this veg. If it's charred all over, the presentation is not very good. Don't forget, it's only a sweet and sour. In with our sweet and sour sauce. Give it a little stir around. Don't forget, we have cornstarch in our sauce already, so it will start to thicken a little bit, but it's not going to thicken to the type of sauce that we like from the Chinese. So what we have to do now is add 1 tablespoon of our corn flour slurry and stir it in. And then we just got to see how thick we want it. Just give it a test. Is it too thin, too thick? Now this is not thick enough, so I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of cornstarch slurry and stir it in. And it will be absolutely perfect. And then all we've got to do then is make a decision. Do we want to add the chicken balls to this mixture, or do we want to plate up the chicken balls and tip the sauce over? That is a tough decision to make. For me today, I'm going to add the chicken balls to our sauce mixture. Just give it a stir through gently, not too hard, just gently. Incorporate a little bit of sauce over it and then plate up. And that is our sweet and sour sauce made. So simple, so quick, within 5 minutes. Now guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Doesn't get much easier than that. Sweet and sour made with our pre-made sauce and our pre-made chicken balls. Less than 5 minutes to cook with your pre-cooked ingredients. So simple. So put the sauce in the fridge, cook the chicken balls, and then you will knock up a sweet and sour within 5 minutes. So easy. Crunchy vegetables too. Absolutely amazing. Simple Chinese food at home. Incredible. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, excuse me, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.